Now, the Indian capital, Delhi, is in the midst of what's being called the third wave of coronavirus infections. The deadly surge coming in the weeks around the festive season. It has left the city's medical infrastructure struggling to cope. The most visible of that struggle is the search for beds for patients who need them the most.
31-year-old Gagan starts his day early and spends all morning taking calls. He often has to work late into the night. Gagan is part of a two-member team that runs an initiative called Charity Beds, which started 8 years ago to help the underprivileged get medical care in private hospitals. Since June this year, the team at Charity Beds has also been helping COVID-19 patients gain access to hospital beds.
मेरा normal एक call का procedure है.
There is a procedure that I follow. After I get a call from someone, I ask for their medical reports. Then I speak to the hospital staff, take confirmation on the availability of a bed. Then I inform the patient and tell them how to reach the hospital, who to contact. I keep following up with the attendant until the patient gets the hospital bed.
Delhi has witnessed a significant spike in the number of coronavirus cases since the festive season began in early November. This surge is being called the third wave of the virus in the city. With hospitals becoming overwhelmed, there has been a shortage of hospital beds in the capital. Many patients in need of medical attention say it's difficult to get ICU and even non-ICU beds in the city.
I actually fainted and my family started hunting for a hospital. After dialing a bunch of hospitals, they couldn't find any beds available and we landed up in a private hospital. So unfortunately, there were no space available in the private hospital as well. So I was there in the tent for 2-3 hours where there were a couple of patients already waiting for admission process.
Kapil Chopra, founder of Charity Beds, says Delhi is experiencing the latest wave because of lax execution of COVID restrictions and public negligence.
We need to address the problem. Addressing the problem is reduce the cases. How do you reduce the cases? Delhi needs to go for a 10-day to a 15-day complete shutdown. Not for any other reason, but it will enforce social distancing. It will also enforce hygiene in a way.
Gagan says Delhi may end up in a worse situation and finding hospital beds could become more challenging. But he feels passionate about what he does and will keep trying.
I want to be of use to people, to help them. People call me when they are in need. They are unwell or their lives are hanging by a thread. This is what motivates me. Every single phone call is very important for me. I cannot delay it even for 5 minutes.
Gagan says his only priority right now is to arrange a hospital bed for every patient who reaches out to him.
DW correspondent Manira Chaudhary filed that report and she joins me now for more from Delhi. Manira, how does Delhi plan to tide over its bed shortage?
Well, since this surge has started, what is being called the third wave in the city, it's become evident that Delhi's healthcare infrastructure was quite underprepared to deal with such an influx of patients suddenly. So to deal with the situation, to augment the bed capacity, what the Delhi government has done, it has approached the national government for help. It has asked them to provide Delhi with about over 1,000 additional beds to accommodate the patients. And apart from that, the Delhi High Court has also allowed the Delhi government to basically reserve 80% of the ICU beds in 33 big private hospitals only for COVID-19 patients. So these are the two big ways in which the Delhi government is trying to augment its bed capacity to accommodate all the patients that are coming in right now.
Now, it's something that Kapil Chopra, one of the people you spoke to, mentioned in your report as well. Another lockdown. Is the city government considering this as a possibility, given the increasing caseload?
Well, as far as the current situation goes, the Delhi government has maintained its stand, and even till very recently, till a couple of days ago also, that Delhi is not going to go back to another lockdown situation. Of course, there are containment zones, but there will be no lockdown situation. That's what the government has made clear. But they are taking some other measures, like they are increasing the testing capacity even more. They are trying to put up mobile testing vans in different areas. They have increased the fine for people who are not wearing masks. till very recently, the number of people who could attend a wedding in Delhi was capped at 200. Now they have reduced it to 50 in order to control the spread. And there is also a proposal, there are talks about Delhi government is thinking about shutting down some markets which can emerge as COVID hotspots. But at the moment, this is also being done. At the same time, the Delhi government is also assuring the traders that nobody will have a loss of business. So these are some of the measures that they are taking. But so far, the situation as it goes, the Delhi government is not saying that they're going to go back to another lockdown stage.
Right. We'd leave it there for the time being. Thank you so much for joining us. Panira Chaudhary in Delhi.